Why do songs and poems often serve as a balm to the soul, you might wonder as you stroll? Is it their rhythm, their rhyme, or the stories they unfold? Well, today we delve into this mystery untold. From the lecture of Neville Goddard, a tale will be spun about the source, the wellspring of creativity, second to none. It's not just about writing, but how one's life is run. A journey into the mind, where all great ideas are begun. In the realm of the mind, where thoughts freely roam, is where the seeds of creativity are sown. It's not just about talent or the skills one has honed, but the power of imagination in its purest form shown. Songs and poems like rivers from this source flow, crafted from thoughts in the mind's quiet glow. The melody of words, the rhythm of prose, all spring from the place where the mind freely goes. To act like a professional songwriter or a poet of fame, understanding the source is the name of the game. It's not about the words or seeking acclaim, but tapping into the mind where all creativity came. The mind is a garden where ideas grow, nurtured by thoughts in a continuous flow. Like a river that courses or a wind that does blow, the mind, when it's free, allows creativity to show. So next time you marvel at a song or a verse, remember the source where it first did immerse. The mind of the creator, the universe's rehearse, is where all great art does firstly conversate and converse. To conclude this exploration, a thought to retain: creativity is not just about the brain, it's the source, the mind where ideas reign, a place of infinite possibility beyond the mundane. So here's to the source, the wellspring of thought, where all great songs and poems are wrought. Keep your mind open, let your ideas be sought, for in the realm of creativity a battle is always fought. In summary, the mind is the source, the wellspring so pure, where all creativity does surely endure. So nurture this source, let your ideas secure, for in the realm of creativity the mind is the cure.
Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to smash that like button, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world to us. Stay tuned for more content. Thank you so much.